Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Benin in America. If today is your first time seeing my video, please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. So in this episode today, we are going to be using carrot and condensed milk. So these are the two ingredients we are using today for this recipe, and I'm going to be showing you one of my summer secrets. So I hope you like it. It's very refreshing and it tastes good too. So try it and let me know in the description below. All right, so now let's start the recipe. First, I already washed all this with water. I use sponge to wash it, so it's very clean. There's no sound, I promise you. So I will still scrape the back in case there's any sound. So I will scrape it like. So this is what I have here. See, it's still dirty even if I clean it. So I'm going to erase this and come back. So it's all clean now. I just want to cut it small so that my blender will be able to blend it. I have small blender. Blender. Here I have my blender. Is not as strong as you think, so that's why I cut it like that. So I'll probably blend it for about 2 times. I'll come back. So I'll add water. Cover it up. Start to blend. So, look at what I have. I'm gonna strain it now. So this is the carrot juice. I strained it already, so I'm taking it back to the blender. So now I'm going to add the condensed milk. You can add it while you strain it, but I just like it to add it in the blender so that I can blend it to mix properly. So this is totally optional. Here is the condensed milk. Putting it all in. So I'm going to cover it up. Mix it together. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. My glass cup is ready. So I'm gonna be transferring it to my glass cup. Oh my God. This is good, guys. So guys, I have eyes here. I don't know if this will size it. Oh yeah, remain small. Okay, here you go. And then you just stir it. This is so good, guys. Oh my god, please try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. It's amazing, guys. You won't believe it. Just gonna put a little one here on the side, and then here. Cheers, guys. It does not sound properly. Anyway, so this is a recipe for my carrot juice. Try it, and I believe you're gonna like it. It tastes good. It's amazing, so creamy. Yeah, so let me go now and enjoy my amazing recipe. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching this recipe. Bye.